In this session, Unit 14, Transportation in Plants and Circulation in Animals, Part 4, we shall discuss about the structure of human heart and types of blood circulation. Before on to the learning of the structure of human heart, we shall have a small recap of our previous knowledge from the previous year about the structure of human heart. Right? So we are clear now. The human heart has 4 chambers, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. And the blood vessels which carry blood into the heart and from the heart to the body are of 2 arteries and veins. The aorta and pulmonary trunk are the arteries. Inferior vena cava, superior vena cava and pulmonary vein are the veins. And coming to arteries, aorta is the biggest artery which carries oxygenated blood, and the pulmonary trunk bifurcates into 2 and carries deoxygenated blood. And about the veins, inferior vena cava and superior vena cava, coronary veins, the biggest vein which carries the deoxygenated blood. And the pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood. So we are very clear. Now the arteries carry oxygenated, veins carry deoxygenated. And the pulmonary arteries and the pulmonary veins carry controversy to the other arteries and veins. Is it clear? Of the heart regulate the flow of blood in a single direction. There are 3 types of valves: right atrioventricular valve, left atrioventricular valve and semilunar valves. The first one, right atrioventricular valve, is located between the right auricle and right ventricle. There is 3 thin flaps and therefore it is called tricuspid valve, and these flaps are held in position by cardiotendinae. Second one, left atrioventricular valve. It has 2 cups and it is located between the left auricle and left ventricle, and since 2 cups it is called bicuspid or mitral valve. Third one, semilunar valve. These valves are located in the major arteries, that is pulmonary artery and aorta. And semilunar valves, the pulmonary artery is called pulmonary semilunar valves, and the valve present in the aortic artery is referred as aortic semilunar valves, and this prevent backward flow of blood into the ventricles. Is it clear? The heart chambers differ in different animals. Fishes are 2-chambered, amphibians are 3-chambered, reptiles are incomplete 4-chambered, waves, mammals and crocodiles are 4-chambered. The blood circulation is of 2 types, double circulation and single circulation. In double circulation, the blood circulates twice through the heart in one complete cycle. In single circulation, the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood are mixed and pass through the heart only once. For example, fishes, amphibians and certain reptiles. In human, it is double circulation. The double circulation is of 3 types: systematic circulation, pulmonary circulation and coronary circulation. So we'll see that in detail now. Now we'll see an easy method of drawing human heart. Next class.